How to repair a corrupt PowerPoint presentation file. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you have downloaded a PowerPoint presentation or prepared it, but it is causing an error code of corrupted file, then here are some of the fixes that you can try on. The very first one would be if you have to unlock a presentation or PowerPoint file. It could be a case that you have downloaded it from next computer. In that case, due to security reasons, the file must have been locked. In order to remove the lock, you just have to search for the PPT that is corrupted or you have downloaded. Right click on it, and then you have to click on Show More options. After that, click on the Properties option and it will open another page. As you can see on the bottom, there is a security reason along with Unlock option. Tap on it, click on Apply and then on OK. Next option is to transfer or copy this to another location. For this, right click, copy the folder or file, and then go to another location and save the PPT there. Now that you have done this, you can open the PowerPoint, but make sure to open it on the safe mode. For this, open one tab and type in PowerPoint /save. This will open the PowerPoint on the safe mode. Now just go to the file option, go on open option and select the file and browse it and open it easily. This should also fix the issue. However, if it does not, you have to open and repair the file. For this, go to the browse option, go to the location that you previously saved the file to. After that, right beside open is a drop down menu. Click on it and click on open and repair. This should fix any issue related to PowerPoint and you should be good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.